We installed gutter helmets on this roof, and I want to show you that with the gutter helmets we install, stuff can still collect on top of the helmet. Like in this case, we've got these beautiful pink flower petals collecting on top of the helmets. That's what they're designed to do, because normally if this house hadn't had the helmets, all of this beautiful flower petals would be in the gutter. So A, it'd be out of eyesight, which isn't great. B, it would be clogging the gutters. So now with the helmets, any water that flows off this roof can get into the gutters, and now it has a free flow through the gutters to the downspout, draining onto the house. Whereas if this clump of stuff collected in the gutter, that water flow would be impeded. So with the gutter helmets, you'll still have to, on occasion, maybe get up, put a ladder up, and just give the gutters a swipe, or you can give them a leaf blow. Installing gutter helmets doesn't mean that stuff won't collect on the helmets. It means that stuff won't collect in the gutters to impede that water flow.